Have you ever wondered how to make a world full of ocean, full of war in Minecraft? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to do just that. So I'm gonna call it Water World. For game mode, we wanna set creative mode because we can't eat water, although there are gonna be some creatures and you're gonna see later. First, we wanna have cheats enabled. We wanna leave the generate structures on, although you can disable it if you're not a fan of ocean monuments. But in my case, I actually want to leave it on because I want to explore an ocean monument and hopefully we can find one after I make the world. So we're going to set the world type to superflat. This is the very important part. We're going to set, let's go to customize. Let's go to presets. And here we have a world already, although it's not what I'm looking for because this one has other blocks in it. And I want a world that is full of water. But if you're happy with this, it has some stone, it has some dirt, some deep slate, some gravel. You can also use this. In my case, I want a world full of water, like from the bottom to the top, from left to right. For this, in the preset text box, write 384 asterisk water, semicolon, deep underscore ocean. It has to be a deep ocean. If you use just ocean, you're not gonna get ocean monuments because ocean monuments spawn in the deep ocean biome only. So that looks good. Let's use this preset. Press done, create a new world, and let's see what we get. Here we have it, a full world of water only. This is like a planet where there's nothing except for water, although maybe there are some secrets at the bottom of it. So I got my night vision potion and let's go down. That's gonna take a while, isn't it? I think what we should do here is just use a command because this is taking so long to go to the bottom. So let's teleport 350 blocks down. And that was a really bad idea actually. So let's try it again. Okay. And it seems like we are close to the bottom. We are almost there. Okay, we are there. I see some glow squids, but it's really dark. Let's get our night vision potion again and see what's going on. Okay, so that's much better. So we have an ocean monument right there. And what's going on there? Did you guys see that? That was a drowning in the abyss. Look at that. They're floating to the bottom. Or they're drowning. They're drowning. That's actually really funny because, you know, they're drowning. They drowned one time and now they're drowning again in the void. So this is the bottom of the world, so it's not gonna be an easy fall. Anyway, we have an ocean monument right here. We are currently at -75, which is below the build limit. We're gonna go to the ocean monument in a second, but here we have some ruins, so they spawn as well. There's a shipwreck there, if I can see it correctly. And here we have an ocean monument that is really tall. So let's see if we actually have the main structure here. And yes, we do. And it is with the Guardians. There's a lot of them. So the world is working great. There's going to be a download link in the description. You can use that as well, or you can use the preset just like I've shown you in the video. So this world is virtually unlimited, the same way that your internet provider talks about your bandwidth. So there's a lot of exploring that you can do, but it's going to be limited just to underwater mobs and to underwater structures like the monument or ocean ruins. So that was it. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.